Today I'll be demonstrating how to use this Wesco spray gun. It's 20 volts. Okay, so we're gonna open up our package first and see what we got, and I'll let you know exactly how it performs. And here's everything in the box. We have a manual, and we have our 20-volt battery. We have a little wrench and a screw. We'll figure that out. I'll read the manual. The charger here. It's not fully charged. I'm gonna give it a few minutes. The handle. It feels really nice in my hand. And we have our canister here. And this is the tube, and you can turn it in any direction. So if you're going upwards like this, you're gonna turn the tube downwards this way. Okay, so you angle it to how you want to use it. If you have to hold your hand down, then you point it downwards. So this is just an extra needle, this one. Okay, and we have the tool for it to remove it. Now this button is for when you're cleaning it. Press it down and pull this part out like this. Push it back in and it locks in place. This button is to turn up or turn down the flow of your paint. Okay, we have our flow cup to measure the viscosity of our paint, and here's the chart. So you need to refer to this chart based on the type of paint you're using. And here's our spray pattern. We have 3 patterns. So for this pattern, we turn it sideways. For this pattern, we turn it long ways. And for that pattern, we turn it at an angle. So I'm just gonna turn it like that and put this back on top and tighten it to lock it in place. Make sure it's straight. Okay, so it's locked in place. So the only thing that's left to do is wait until the battery is fully charged, and then I'll measure the viscosity of my paint. And the tub holds 800 milliliter of paint. So after the battery is in place, and this is the trigger, then we start to paint. Here's the needle to clean the nozzle, and I'm not sure what this is. So my battery is fully charged. It's green. Washed all my pieces thoroughly. You want to wash them outside, and then I brought them inside and I washed them under the sink. And even though I thought I washed them properly, I was still getting paint. What you have to do is press the trigger while you're catching the water in here, and if you have a hose, that would work perfectly. As you can see, we still have some paint. Okay, even though I thought I did it correctly. So these two go together like this. Just push them together, twist it, and then this goes all the way up in there. Okay, and then we're gonna put this back on here, and I fill it up with room temperature water, and I'm going to spray it again outside for it to be clean. Okay, you don't want to tighten it too much. I'm gonna push it back right in there. Just push it until you hear the clink. Now I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna spray it until this is empty, and I'll be done. It weighs 3 pounds. Let's say it's 3 pounds. Okay, so it's very lightweight, and I love the way it spreads. It goes really far. I have another paint sprayer. It's corded, but it's not compared to this one, and this one I can take places with me, like anywhere I need to go. Being wireless, it's very convenient. I can spray paint in places that I can't use my corded one. So I'm really impressed with this spray gun. It works very well and it gets 5 stars.